So good morning everyone. As I said you earlier that today you will be doing numericals of some different types. So here I am with the next numerical next type, and the question is visible on the board, which is density of 3 molar NaCl solution is 1.25 gram per ml. You have to calculate the molality of the solution, which means molarity is given 3. 3 capital M means molarity. So molarity is given, you have to find out the molality. So let us start this question. So in this type of question you have molarity is given to be 3 and density is given to be 1.25 gram per ml. So from molarity you write the formula first. So the formula is molarity equals to number of moles of NaCl. This is the solute is NaCl here. Number of moles of NaCl by volume of solution in liter. And molarity is given out to be 3. So I can rub this molarity and I can write here 3. So 3 equals to number of moles of NaCl divided by volume of solution in liter. So now molarity is given to you. Now this ratio is 3. Now this ratio can be 60 by 20 can be 3. 90 by 30 can be 3. 9 by 3 can be 3. Any value can be 3. So I will take the standard. So as because this ratio is 3, so students, I have to assume that number of moles is equal to 3 and standard volume of solution is nothing but 1 liter. Means 3 by 1 is 3. So that assumption has to be done. So in this type of question, this assumption has to be made. So which means 1 liter means how many ml? 1 liter means 1000 ml. So I have the volume, I have number of moles, I need molality. So for molality, what is molality? Molality is number of moles of NaCl by mass of solvent. Molality is number of moles of NaCl divided by mass of solvent. So number of moles of solute, matlab 3 to already I have. Now I have to calculate the mass of solvent. See here. So mass of solvent, can I write like this? I guess this blue color, I'll take the black one. Mass of solvent, I can write mass of solution minus mass of solute. I can write or not. Mass of solvent is mass of solution minus mass of solute. Okay. So mass of solution will be nothing but density into volume. Mass of solution will be nothing but density into volume minus mass of solute. Solute here NaCl. So number of moles is given mass by molar mass. Number of moles is given mass by molar mass. So given mass will be number of moles into molar mass. So given mass I can write number of moles into molar mass. So in this way I can take out the mass of the solvent. So mass of the solvent is mass of solution minus mass of solute. Mass of solution means density into volume minus mass of solute will be number of moles into molar mass. So now I put the values. I am rubbing this part. So mass of solvent comes out to be density into volume. Density is this, volume is this, minus number of moles is this 3 into molar mass. Now molar mass of NaCl, if you calculate, it will come 58.5. So that is 1250 minus 175.5 gram. Sorry for that interruption. Minus 175.5 gram. If you divide it, it will become 1074.5 gram. So this is the mass of solvent. Now this mass you have to take in kg. This mass you have to take in kg because in the formula we need mass of solvent in kg. So that is 1.0745 kg. So this way you took out the mass of the solvent. That is mass of the solution minus mass of the solute. So therefore now molality is equal to number of moles of solute, that is 3, divided by mass of solvent in kg, that is 1.0745. So if you divide, you will get the answer 2.79 mole. So this is the question of molality where molarity is given. So this is the question to find molality with the help of molarity. The opposite one is also the same. This type of question, one more we'll discuss. So the next question is also it is given in your book. I forgot the question number, but I remember the question. The question is, calculate the molarity of ethanol. Calculate the molarity of ethanol in water whose mole fraction is 0.04, and in bracket they have mentioned assume the density to be 1. This question is 1 point something around 2728 ka aspas it will be there. So calculate the molarity of ethanol in water whose mole fraction is 0.04. Assume the density to be 1. Now mole fraction of is given 0.04 na. Assume the density to be 1. This is the main line here. Assume the density to be 1. So density, students, density is equal to mass by volume. Since they have told density to be 1, so I have to take the standard value. Means mass of also I have to take 1 kg, that is 1000 gram, and volume I have to take 1 liter, that is 1000 ml. So standard values I have taken because they have told me to take density to be 1. Now mole fraction of ethanol is given 0.04. That is the main thing to understand. Mole fraction of ethanol is given to be 0.04, which means ethanol is very less, which means this solution is entirely made of water. So I will not be wrong if I write like this, that volume of solution is nothing but almost equal to volume of water, since ethanol is very less, and mass of the solution which I have taken to be 1000 kg, that will be equal to the mass of water. I can take that, I can assume that because the mole fraction is very very less. So mass of solution came. Now mole fraction कितना दिया हुआ है? Now mole fraction of ethanol, you know, that is number of moles of ethanol divided by number of moles of ethanol plus number of moles of water. Now this sum you have to do on your own. I'll just guide from here. This sum you have to do on your own. Mole fraction is given 0.04. इसको यहाँ में बिठा दो 0.04. Number of moles of ethanol you have to find out. Number of moles of ethanol you have to find out because molarity you have to find out. And molarity के लिए number of moles of ethanol is required. So number of moles of ethanol you have to find out. Means this you have to find out. So let this be x. So if this is x, then this is also x. X plus number of moles of water. How will you find out number of moles of water? Number of moles of water will be given mass by molar mass. So given mass is 1000 gram and molar mass of water is 18. So number of moles came. So as number of moles came, so you can, this value is given, this value is given, this value you can take out. So this value you take out. This value you take out first, okay? After that, molarity, na? What do you mean molarity? Number of moles of solute by volume of solution. So number of moles you can find out from here, and volume of solution you have taken 1 liter. Which is molarity will be this value divided by 1. This value divided by 1. So in that case, these type of questions, you have to assume that this is this is that, and then you have to proceed. So these two sums you practice. These type of sums more I'll give in Google Classroom. Practice those, and in a few days we will start the next chapter. And my dear students, the coming Monday, that is I guess 22nd. Today's Tuesday. So coming Monday there will be chapter test for this particular chapter. I'll give the notification also. So study those and practice these two type of numericals. Okay. Thank you very much. Stay safe, stay blessed, and have happy learning. Thank you.